Hello friends, my name is Vikas. So friends, in this video we'll be talking about a spacecraft named Lucy that was launched by NASA that will be the first space mission to study the Trojan asteroids. This video will be very helpful to you, so do watch the video till the end. So friends, we'll start with our session, but before that we have something important to tell you about. So students, we have an app by the name Carriers Cloud which you can go and download using the Play Store, and it is available only for the Android users as of now. Once you have downloaded and opened the app, you will see a page such as the second screen here. Then you just need to log in with your Google ID, or you can say with your Gmail ID on this application, and once you have logged in, you are ready to use the particular application. As you can see, you will be seeing here my course, all courses, crack current affairs. Just click on any of those and you will be directed to a second page. Here now, what are the features or why we recommend you to use the app? Because on the app we provide you daily current affairs both in English as well as in Hindi. Both Hindi and English current affairs are provided you daily along with the quiz sessions. This is important. We provide you daily with the quiz sessions that will help you to brush up your current affairs that you gain today through our video or any other notes provided. These English and Hindi PDFs are also provided to you daily. This is provided on our app course that you can go and purchase. Two types of courses are there, 1 year plan and a second year plan, which you can opt as per your need. Then we provide you with weekly videos, not just weekly videos on YouTube and monthly videos, daily videos are also given. Apart from that, weekly PDFs of current affairs are provided to you. Compiled PDF of current affairs of the whole week will be provided to you both in English as well as in Hindi. Then similarly for the month also, you will be provided a compiled video of the whole month both in English as well as in Hindi PDF for the current affairs that will brush up your current affairs very much. Apart from this, we provide you with the topic wise current affairs, topics such as apps and web portals, important days, books and authors. Then comes your sports, then comes your obituary, national affairs, international affairs, sports. These all topics are covered by us on our YouTube channel, which you can go and check it out also. Very important this section, because we provide you with the PDFs also with them that helps you to revise through a particular order, and it is very helpful to you, so you should definitely check it out. Then apart from it, we provide you questions regarding your particular exams also, such as bank, related to your banking. We provide you questions, we provide you PDF, we provide you material that will help you to revise those topics, those important topics. So very important. All right, so I definitely recommend you to check our app and do revise and to purchase the courses, because they will be very helpful to you. These, I strongly recommend you to use our app as well as website, and the quiz provided on the app is very helpful to you on the daily basis, and our monthly study material for your exams will do wonders. So do watch the video for the revision purposes, they are very helpful. And if you use my code Vikas10, straight away you will be getting an additional 10% discount on the purchase you made using the application. So additional discount for you students just from my side. It is a happy hour sale, you can say, 10% discount using Vikas10. So friends, let's start with the session now. So friends, let's start. In this video, we'll be talking about NASA that has launched a spacecraft and named it as Lucy. Remember, this spacecraft's name is Lucy. It is first space mission to study Trojan asteroids. Now, what are Trojan asteroids and what are Trojan, or what are basically asteroids, we'll look at here in this video. First of all, what are Trojan asteroids? The Trojan is a small celestial body. Most of these are asteroids that are left over from the early days of the solar system. It shares the orbit of a larger planet or of large moons. The Jupiter Trojan asteroids are the swarm of asteroids that share Jupiter's orbit around the sun. Basically, you can say asteroid, this is a planet or asteroid. If some part of this breaks and starts revolving around any other planet or any other moon, that will be your asteroids. Basically, these are the part of the large celestial body or early days of the solar system. Or you can say Trojan is a small celestial body or a part of a large celestial body, small part, broken pieces. What are asteroids? Asteroids are the rocky objects that orbit around the sun. Much smaller than planets, they are also called minor planets. If question is asked, another name of asteroids, what it is? It is called minor planets also. Another question asked is here, where is the asteroid belt located in our solar system? Easy question we'll be discussing in a bit now. Where is the asteroid belt located in our solar system, or between which two planets is this asteroid belt located? It is located between Mars and Jupiter. Important question. First of all, you should know there are three categories of asteroids. First is main belt of asteroids, Trojan asteroids, and the near Earth asteroids. We'll look at them one by one. First, main belt of asteroids. As I told you, where is this asteroid belt located? This asteroid belt is located between Mars and Jupiter. So those found in the main asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter are the main belt of asteroids. This region is estimated to contain somewhere around 1.1 to 1.9 million asteroids. Second type is this was your first type. Second type is your Trojan asteroids. We just saw about them. The second group is that of Trojans. The name comes from Greek mythology, which are asteroids that share an orbit with a larger planet. NASA reports the presence of Jupiter, Neptune, Mars Trojans. In 2011, they reported an Earth Trojan as well. That means these small chunks of the big celestial bodies or small celestial bodies that revolve around that particular planet, these are the Trojans. I repeat, which are the asteroids that share an orbit with the larger planet. Similarly, there are asteroids in the Mars and Jupiter, so they will be, some planets will be revolving around, some asteroids that are revolving around, say, Venus, Earth. Here it is saying, no, NASA reported Jupiter, Neptune and Mars Trojans also, that is small asteroids that are revolving around. See, if this is a planet, this is the orbit of, then this is the orbit of that planet. So some asteroids that are revolving in this orbit around this particular planet X, these are the Trojans. All right, asteroid will never revolve, or basically it won't revolve around the particular, the small asteroids, they will known as Trojans. Trojans are basically, you can say, asteroids only. Another name of asteroids that revolve around planets are Trojan. Then the Jupiter asteroids can be found in what are referred to as swarms that lead and follow the planet Jupiter along its orbit around the sun. Lucy will reach the first swarm of these asteroids that precede Jupiter by August 2027. We'll be looking about this mission in quite a bit. For the wait time, just remember that Lucy, the spacecraft or the satellite, will reach the first swarm of these satellite asteroids that precede Jupiter by year 2027. These asteroids are believed to be the remnants of the early solar system. This was your second type of asteroids, that is Trojan asteroids. Now come to the near Earth asteroids, the third type of asteroids. The third classification of asteroids is under near Earth asteroids, which has the orbit that pass close to the Earth. Those that cross the Earth's orbit are called Earth crossers. More than 1,000 such asteroids are known, of which over 1,400 are classified as potentially hazardous asteroids. So these were your asteroids. Now, if we look at the news that came recently, is that the NASA, that is National Aeronautics and Space Administration, launched the 12-year mission of Lucy, which is the first expedition to the Trojan asteroids of Jupiter to study the evolution of the solar system and the formation of giant planets. The spacecraft Lucy was launched on a United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket from the Space Launch Complex 41 at Cape Canaveral Space Force Station in Florida, USA. The mission will be powered by solar energy, and it will run for 12 years and will visit 8 asteroids, 7 Trojans which are located in 2 separate swarms ahead of and behind Jupiter in its orbit, and one in the main belt, that is the asteroid belt located between Mars and Jupiter, covering a distance of about 6.3 billion kilometers in the span of 12 years. Alright, so this is the mission of your Lucy aircraft. Next, the mission is named after Lucy, a 3.2 million old preserved human skeleton from Africa who belonged to a species of hominians, which is one of the oldest known human relatives. What was the reason of this being in news? NASA, that is National Aeronautics and Space Administration, said to launch Lucy, its first mission to explore what location? This is also important, you need to know. Jupiter Trojan asteroids. Alright, can be asked that Lucy will be the first mission to explore dash. It will be the first mission to explore Jupiter Trojan asteroids. As you can see here, this is the Trojan asteroids here, and this is the main asteroid belt that is located between Jupiter and Mars. See, let me show you. This is Mars, this is Jupiter, and this here is the main asteroid belt. You can see here this circle is the main asteroid belt located between Jupiter and Mars, and these Trojan asteroids are located in the orbit of Jupiter. These are Trojan asteroids. These are Trojan asteroids. All right. Then, if we talk about the mission of Lucy, the duration, the solar powered mission is estimated to be over 12 years long, during which the spacecraft will visit 8 asteroids covering about 6.3 billion kilometers to deepen the understanding of our young solar system. Name and launch. As we saw, this name Lucy has been given after a 3.2 million old ancestor who belonged to a species of hominians. This spacecraft or this satellite will be launched using a spacecraft on a Atlas V 401 rocket. Then is your asteroid Donald Johnson. The spacecraft's first encounter will be an asteroid that lies in the main belt that can be found between Mars and Jupiter. That is the one asteroid that it will be visiting during its mission amongst the 8 total of asteroids. This is located in the main belt or main asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. This asteroid is named Donald Johnson after the paleoanthropologist who discovered the fossil remains of Lucy. What is the significance of this particular mission? The Trojan asteroids are believed to be formed from the same material that led to the formation of planets nearly 4 billion years ago when the solar system was formed. Therefore, the mission is designed to understand the composition of the diverse asteroids that are a part of the Trojan asteroid swarm, to determine the mass and densities of those materials, and to look for and study the satellites and rings that may orbit the Trojan asteroids. As we know, our solar system was formed due to the various dirt and gases. So these particular small asteroids may contain some kind of element that is not known to humans as of now, because we have not seen what the core of Earth looks like or the core of Sun looks like. There can be various other elements that are not known to humans as of now. So this Lucy will help us to determine or to even discover various types of elements that are not known to humans and that are still present in the galaxy far away. Studying them will help the scientists to understand its origin and evolution and why it looks the way it does. Now this was your Lucy. Now let's talk about Jupiter for once. Fifth in the line from the Sun. So if we talk about how do you remember the sequence of the planets? My very educated mother tell us about 9 planets. So how do you remember it in the line? First is your why this is not working. First is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. My very educated mother, just J is for Jupiter, just then comes your Saturn, And after Saturn, it is your about 9 planets. U for Uranus, and then in last is your 9, that is Neptune. Now you will say that there are 8 planets, but there are only 6 written here. The last one is your 9 planets, Pluto. My very educated mother just say us 9 planets, or you can say just tell us 9 planets. Last one is Pluto, but Pluto is now not considered a planet. It is considered as a dwarf planet. So these are the sequence you can remember. My very educated mother just tell us about the 9 planets, and last is your Pluto. And where is the main asteroid belt? Asteroid belt is located here. Asteroid belt. Now, if we talk about Jupiter, what does Jupiter has to tell you? Let's look at it. Fifth in the line from the Sun, Jupiter is by far the largest planet in the solar system. More than twice as massive as the all other planets combined. So, which is the largest planet in our solar system? It is Jupiter. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune are called the Jovian or gas giant planets. These have thick atmospheres, mostly of helium and hydrogen. Can be asked which planets among them are not a part of Jovian planets or the gas giants. So Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are the 4 Jovian or gas planets you should know. Jupiter rotates once every 10 hours, a Jovian day, but takes about 12 Earth years to complete one orbit of the Sun, a Jovian year. Jupiter has more than 75 moons. What is the name of the largest moon of Jupiter? Ganymede. This is the largest moon of Jupiter, as well as largest moon of our solar system. Mark this. Ganymede is the largest moon of our solar system, as well as largest moon of Jupiter. Other are Io, Europa, Callisto, which are each distinct worlds. The Voyager mission discovered Jupiter's faint ring system. 9 spacecrafts have visited Jupiter since then, and 7 flew by and 2 have orbited the gas giant. Juno is the most recent arrived at Jupiter in 2016. These were some related to Jupiter. Now if I ask you some questions related to our solar system. Which part of the sun is visible to humans? You have to name the part of sun that is visible to humans. The correct answer of this is photosphere. Photosphere is the part of the sun visible to humans. It is the deepest layer of the sun that we can observe directly with our naked eye. Second question. Which part of the sun is visible to us at the time of eclipse? During eclipse, it is your, or you can say it is the outermost layer. Outermost layer in which solar flares can be seen. Which is the name of the part of this layer? It is your corona. Alright, next. Which is the deepest point from the sea level on the earth? General question. Mariana Trench. Some general questions related which will help you. Alright, next. How much time is taken by the light to reach from sun to earth directly? Easy and direct question. 8 minutes 20 seconds are taken by the light to reach from sun to earth. Next, then yes, if the gravity on earth is G, what is the gravity on moon? The gravity on moon is 1/6 of earth. That is, if on earth gravity is G, then the gravity on moon will be 1/6 G. Mark this. Next, which is the largest planet of the solar system according to the size we just saw? It is your Jupiter. Largest moon of our solar system, Ganymede, and it is the largest moon of also the Jupiter. Next question is, Which of the planet is solar system takes the shortest revolution? That means it takes the least time to revolve around the sun. Let me give you an option: Neptune, Mars, Mercury, and Venus. Amongst these four, which has of the solar system, these are the four planets which takes the shortest time to revolve around the sun. Planet that takes the smallest time to revolve around the sun. Okay, answer me. I'll give you a hint. Which of the planet is closest to the sun? The planet that is closest to the sun will take the least time to revolve around the sun. So among these four, you should know that Mercury is the planet that is closest to the sun. So Mercury will take the least time in revolving around the sun. All right. Then next, what are the Jovian planets? The gas giants are the Jovian planets. They contain Jovian. They are the gas giants, and these gas giants, they contain helium and hydrogen. All right. Next, which of the planet in the solar system has the highest density? I'm talking about highest density. Remember, Earth has the highest density in the solar system. All right. So friends, this was the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Vikas signing off. So friends, this was our video. I hope you enjoyed our video. If you liked our video, do hit the like button, share the link with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, or if you are new to our channel, then do subscribe, because it motivates us to bring a better content for you guys. Also, if you have any trouble regarding login or payment or any other issues, then you can reach to us on our mail, that is support@affairscloud.com, or you can call us on the number 9677333862, and we'll resolve your issue as soon as possible. Also, you should go and check our courses that are available at a very reasonable price, and that will help you to boost your preparation.